Yeah,
the feet seem to do this all the time.
All day, any song, this will work for.
Let me just get on the dance floor and look ridiculous. Well, we'll find out, won't we, this year?
Hello everyone, I'm Jamie Laing and I'm here with Good Housekeeping.
Hello, I'm Quentin. I'm here because I'm going to do Strictly Come Dancing.
Hi, I'm Nicola Adams and I'm here today with Good Housekeeping.
Hi, I'm Ranvir Singh and I'm here happily on the shoot with Good Housekeeping magazine.
What is the song that gets me on the dance floor? Do you know what the song that gets is Sexual Healing, Marvin Gaye. Bow, wow, 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 I can feel that. If that starts, I don't know what nightclub is playing that, but if a nightclub is playing that, that's me on the dance floor 100%.
Anything really by David Bowie, but probably Dancing in the Street. Da, 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 da. Oh, I love it.
The song that gets me on the dance floor is What by Cardi B.
Oh, Simply the Best by Tina Turner, which is quite embarrassing, isn't it? But it is one of those where I think where it comes on and you're with your girlfriends and it just comes to, yes, we feel amazing. And we just get on the dance floor and look ridiculous.
The first record I ever bought was Spice Girls, and it was a tape. I remember is it Spice World? And I was obsessed with Geri Halliwell. I actually had a picture of her on my wall, and then I had a bunk bed, scared of sleeping on the top bunk, because I thought spiders would climb up and land on me, so I slept on the bottom bunk, and I had Geri Halliwell underneath me, so I looked at her every single night.
Oh, what's it called? It's called Can't Live If Living Is Without You. Harry Nilsson. And oh, I can't forget this evening, or your face as you were leaving. Harry Nilsson, Without You, was the first record I ever bought, the first single I ever bought, actually. Yeah. The first album I ever bought was Bridge Over Troubled Water, Simon & Garfunkel.
The first song I ever bought was Mariah Carey, You'll Always Be My Baby. Yeah, I've always been a Mariah Carey fan.
Oh, it was a cassette tape of Kylie Minogue and Jason Donovan. What was it called? Especially for You, that was the one. And it had like the lyrics on the little sleeve, and I remember just sitting and reading the lyrics over and over again. Yeah, that was my first musical purchase.
Jennifer, Allison, Philippa Sue, or Annabelle too. I wrote the song for that, or I ate my dinner in a fancy restaurant. That one. Or Where Is the Love, Black Eyed Peas. I made out to that song.
Probably the first song I ever really remember was called Johnny's Magic Harmonica. And it was a little boy, it was a story song tune thing, and it was a little blue plastic 45 record, and it was the story of a little boy who had a magic harmonica.
The song that reminds me of my childhood is Flowers by Female Attitude.
Do you know, it would have to be some sort of Bollywood song. Like there's a film called Sholay, but you won't know of it unless you watched Bollywood as a child. But we had VHS tapes piled high of all the Hindi films that came out of Bollywood. So anything from that era, from the 1980s, of the big dancing and the crazy romantic songs.
Signature dance move. Again, I don't have. It's more the kind of. It's just and the occasional click. I don't know why that comes in, but it's just that's the signature. That's it there. It's nothing big. It's nothing small. It's kind of light, easy, relaxing, almost attractive, I would say.
Probably something. It's a sort of slide to the side. It's a kind of. I think you'd call it a glissade. In a way, it's all about the upper body, so I don't really need to get off the stool to do it. Just push me with a broom.
My signature dance move is the two-step. All day, any song, this will work for. That's it, the two-step. It works in any situation. No matter what dance it is, like no matter what song it is, the two-step will always work.
What is my signature dance move? I don't know. I think it's more like, it's all in the shoulders, I think. All my dancing is in the shoulders, but not in the lower half of my body. So it's sort of just a little shimmy, I think, probably.
Well, it would be slightly self-conscious. That would be my dancing style. Slightly self-conscious. Are people looking at me? Am I a good dancer? I know I'm not the best in the room, but I can learn.
My dancing style is random. I think it's probably a bit dated, is what I'd say. I don't think, it's not quite mum dancing or dad dancing, but I think it's probably sort of 70s disco with a kind of nod to the 1990s. Yeah, it sounds awful, doesn't it? Yeah.
My dancing style is, I would say, misplaced confidence. That's the sort of byline I would give to my dancing style, and it also depends on how many rum and cokes I've had, frankly.
What is it? The Titanic song. Wherever you will go, and I would. No, that's a different song. I'll go, and I'll go. No, that's The Cooling. That's The Cooling. That song doesn't make me cry.
God, you know, I don't know. I can't think of anything offhand. Well, it's probably something from La Traviata, to be honest. So it's probably opera.
There's no songs that make me cry.
Oh, Sinead O'Connor, Nothing Compares to You. Every time. It's that teardrop, isn't it, in the video? I'm just thinking about it.
Rudolf Nureyev. I'd like to have done a dance with him. He was fabulous.
Celebrity that I'd most like to dance with is Jennifer Lopez, because she's a really good dancer.
Oh, who would I like to most dance with? Well, probably like Matthew McConaughey, I think. Don't you think he'd be gorgeous and lovely and funny? You need to dance with somebody who's got a good sense of humour, I think.
If I was a DJ for a night, the music that I'd use to get everybody on the dance floor is a bit of R&B, hip-hop, funky house.
What do I put on? Bit of Stormzy, I think. Bit of Stormzy, get everybody in there, get him feeling the love. I think that's the one for me.
Go-to karaoke song would have to be ba bip da ba doo ba doo. Yeah. The Hanson Brothers. Bop. Great. What happened to them? Are they still alive? Who knows?
I've never done karaoke. Well, actually, no, I tell a lie. I've only done karaoke once, and I don't remember it. It was in a bar in Wimbledon, and I don't know what I sang, but I know it happened because somebody told me they saw it, and this is about 40 years ago. I don't know. I can't remember anything about it. I must have done something there. So, what would I sing in karaoke if I had a choice? I don't know. Maybe a Rolling Stones number, maybe.
Oh, my go-to karaoke song. Well, I haven't done karaoke very often, I have to say, but it would have to be Lady Marmalade. Do you remember that one? Is that how you say it, Ewan?
Strictly, what I'm most scared of, I probably, the dance is the foxtrot, because you have to have this, like, everything's moving at once and you don't know where it's going. I have trouble tapping my head and rubbing my tummy. You know that one that people do? I have trouble doing that. I can't even do it. Oh no, doing it, there you go, look at that. But so when everything has to go everywhere, I find it quite tricky. I'm not very good. That's gonna be hard.
I think, I'm not entirely sure what it's called, but it's very, very fast, and I think the feet seem to do this all the time, and I don't know which one it is. It's one of those ones. It might be a samba or a rumba or a cha-cha-cha and the girls seem to do lots of hips and knees, and my knees are my real weak point. So I'm slightly hoping my knees don't just kind of go down the road on the bus and the other one head back to the dressing room. That's what I'm a bit worried about. Anything that's got very fast moving feet and knees. I don't know what it's called. It's one of those Latin ones, I think.
I don't have a particular dance that I'm most nervous about because I don't know any dances, so I'd probably say that they're all on the same level.
God, all of them. What? I mean, is there one that I shouldn't be afraid of? I mean, I don't, there's none of them. Like the fast ones, are the ones that terrify me, because I went to see Strictly in the audience last year. And I remember seeing Kareem and Kelvin like up close, and their feet moved so fast. And of course I didn't know I was going to be in Strictly, so I was just like, wow, who can do that? Well, we'll find out, won't we, this year?